Hi, so you might be wondering how does a relay work and what is their role in the electrical industry. Well, today I'll try my best to explain relays to you. So first point would be, how do you know that what you have is a relay? Well, because they look like this, a blue or black cube with some pins sticking out. Second point, what is their role in the world? So basically a relay is a switch that can switch automatically using electricity. Now, is it just magic that makes this work? No, it's an magnet. No, it's an electromagnet inside of it that makes the switch so unique. And if you give the electromagnet enough power, it will close the switch like this. As you might expect, an electromagnet is a coil of wire winded around an iron core. Isn't it cool? Yeah, I know. So basically they have three outputs. The first one is normally open, which is marked as NO, which means that when the relay switches, the voltage on normally open will be equal to 0. Second one is NC, normally closed, which means that when the relay switches, the voltage on NC will jump up like a kangaroo. And then we have the third one, COM, common. This just means that whatever the position of the switch is, this pin will always stay at a voltage level, no matter what happens. Now, how can we use relays? Well, there are a couple of applications to this component. For example, you can build a light activated switch with it. Just get a thermoresistor. Me. Now, how can we use relays? Well, there are a couple of applications to this component. For example, you can build a light activated switch with it. Just get a photoresistor and a relay and probably a bit more components to make this stable, but you understand what I'm trying to explain, right? Good. And we also use relay-like switches in breakers and such. So now, how do they work? It's pretty simple. You just need a simple switch and an electromagnet. That is it. That's it. That's a relay. This was the most basicest way. Basicest? Is there even a word like that? The easiest way I could explain relays. So, if you enjoyed the video, then make sure to subscribe and like. Bye. And we also use relay-like switches in breakers as such. And such. And we also use relays like switches in breakers. What the? Now, how can we use relays? Well, there are a couple of applications to this component. For example, you can build a light activated switch with it. Just get a photoresistor. Shit, why can't I just say it? Okay.